Education is a human right. Every child deserves a chance to learn and grow. It's the foundation for a better life. Education empowers us. It gives us the tools to understand the world. We can then use this knowledge to shape our own destinies. Without education, we are limited. We may face poverty, discrimination, and lack of opportunity. Education is the key to breaking free from these cycles. When we invest in education, we invest in a brighter future for everyone. Education is not just about learning facts, it's about developing critical thinking skills. It teaches us to question, analyze, and solve problems. These skills are essential for innovation and progress. Education promotes tolerance and understanding. It exposes us to different cultures and perspectives. This helps us bridge divides and build a more just and equitable world. When we educate, we empower. We create a ripple effect of positive change that benefits us all. For many, education is expensive and out of reach. High tuition fees, the cost of books, and living expenses create significant barriers. This prevents countless individuals from pursuing their dreams. This is unjust. Everyone, regardless of their background, deserves access to quality education. Free education would remove these financial barriers. It would open doors for those who have been left behind. It's time to make education a right, not a privilege. Section 4. A global call for action. The lack of access to education is a global crisis. Millions of children are out of school, denied their basic right to learn. This is particularly true in developing countries, where poverty and conflict often disrupt education systems. We must work together to address this challenge. We need increased investment in education infrastructure and teacher training. We need to create safe and supportive learning environments for all children. Education is a shared responsibility. Section 5. Leveling the playing field. Free education is an investment in our collective future. It would empower individuals and strengthen societies. It would foster innovation, reduce inequality, and promote peace. Imagine a world where everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential. This is the world that free education can help create. It's a world worth fighting for. Section 6. Investing in our future. We must all become advocates for free education. We can raise awareness, support organizations working to make education accessible, and urge our leaders to prioritize this fundamental right. Every voice matters. Together, we can create a world where education is free and accessible to all. Let's make education a priority. Let's invest in our future. Let's make education a right, not a privilege.